Hey folks, how you doing? I'm Tom with Charged Up Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to do my cheesy onion. So let's get started. I got 3 kinds of onions. This is really simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice these up first and get them prepped. And on these, we just want some pretty decent slices. There we go. We had a yellow. I'm going to do a white. And then also one red. There's the white. And then let's just get the red going. I hope the wind's not messing up the audio. I am outside doing this in my outdoor kitchen. This is one of the things my family just loves. But let's get this going. All right. So once we get the onion sliced up, we're just going to put this in some foil. Just like that. And hold that down. I usually like to start with a little bit of butter at the bottom. Let's get that on here. And then we're just going to stack this. So there's our red. I do have 4 kinds of cheese that I'm going to be layering in here. So I have some cheddar, some ghost pepper, and some Swiss, and then some Velveeta cheese spread that I've never used before, but we're going to try it. And the cheese can go on. It doesn't matter the order, whatever you prefer. Just try to mix up the mushroom. I'm sorry. They're not mushrooms. Just mix up the onions. Get a little bit more butter on there. Get another. Top it off with a layer of red. So we're just going to build a stack. Then we're going to get our cheese on top. And this last part, I'm just going to put 3 layers. Then we'll go ahead and squeeze in some of this cheese sauce. There we go. And a little bit of avocado oil, just so everything doesn't stick. Now we're just going to wrap this up. Let me get one more good sized piece of foil. What I'm going to do here, I already got my grill going behind me. So we're up to about 300 degrees. I'm just going to take this whole thing and just set it on the grill. And now that's going to be on there for over an hour. We'll be back. All right. So onions have been in there for an hour. We're going to go ahead and grab them, get my gloves on, and we're going to check them out. Bring this guy over. Get you a better view there. See if we can get it open. Apologize for the wind if you're picking that up on the microphone. I don't know if you can see that. That's how it looks right now. Looks like we're going to need to go a little bit longer. One thing I like to do at this point, I'm going to add in some sweet hot mustard. Maybe a little bit more oil. And I'm going to get some, like we need a little bit bigger foil on here. I'm going to go ahead and get this wrapped up again. And give it some more time to melt and get happy in there. Hey, welcome back. We're going to get back to that cheesy onion. It's actually been on the barbecue almost 2 hours now. So let's get it over here. It's very hot, so everybody can check it out. So here you go. It looks like a mess in there, I know. Tastes wonderful. Amazing. See if I can't get this open a little bit more for you guys. So the best part of this, as you can imagine, would be down at the bottom. Just all the cheese. Take a look at that. Look at how that onion is just cooked down. Really a hit out of all of our gatherings. When we have a family cook-off and I make these, everybody just keeps digging at them. You need them just like it is. You can throw them on top of a steak. You can throw them on a sandwich. Give it a try. Enjoy. All right. Till we meet again. Okay, love you. Bye.